In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email marketing campaign in Klaviyo. We'll move from a blank campaign to a message that's ready to send or schedule, keeping things simple and reliable. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard and head to Campaigns. Click Create Campaign, then choose Email. This tells Klaviyo you're building a one-time email rather than an automated flow, and it opens the tools you'll use to design and send. Next, select your goal. A common choice is send a newsletter, which fits most updates, promotions, and announcements. Picking a goal helps organize your reporting later. Once you've chosen, click Next to continue. Now choose your audience. Select who should receive this email. For example, a segment of recent subscribers. Make sure the group you select matches your message. Targeting people who recently opted in is a good way to boost engagement and protect deliverability. After confirming the right list or segment, click Next. It's time to select a template. Browse the available designs and pick one that fits your content, such as a weekly update. Click Use Template to lock it in. If you skip this step, you won't be able to proceed, so be sure a template is selected before moving on. Design your email using the drag and drop editor. Update text to reflect your message, swap in relevant images, and adjust buttons so they link to the right pages. Keep your copy clear, your call to action visible, and your branding consistent. Preview on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks clean and readable. When you're happy, click Next. Add your email details. A subject line is required, so keep it concise and compelling. Add optional preview text to expand on your subject in the inbox. Set your sender name and sender email carefully. Avoid using a free Gmail address here, as that can hurt deliverability. A properly authenticated domain-based sender address is best. Before sending, review your campaign. Double-check the audience, the subject line, the content, and your smart sending setting. Smart sending helps prevent emailing the same subscribers too frequently, which can improve engagement. If you see any red warnings, fix them now to avoid delivery issues. Finally, decide how to send. Click Schedule or Send. Choose Send now if you're ready, or pick Schedule to set the date and time that aligns with your audience's time zone and behavior. Confirm by clicking Schedule Message or Send. And that's it. Your Klaviyo campaign is now sent or scheduled. Thanks for watching.